Hi guys, so I don't know how many of you got intimidated or not intimidated by the services lecture, and so in this lecture all we're gonna do is have some fun. All right, we have our billing alert set, so we don't need to worry too much about the bills, but still we'll kind of stay limited to the services we're using, but we're gonna have fun anyway. So the first thing first, the compute service, VM instances. All right, so we're going to create a VM instance, YouTube fun one. All right, now you should have gone through my introduction to cloud computing training, where I talk in a lot more detail about the region and zone. It's a free training on Udemy as well as here on YouTube. Google has several of them available, not as many as AWS does, but still big enough amount. So US Central 1, zone I'm going to take US Central 1A. Oh, general purpose, the default machine that they pick up is kind of big. DBN. Now this is a virtual hard disk that's used for loading your machine. To just go in and try out different operating systems, what makes Google special. If you were to do these things on Azure and AWS, you need to know quite a bit more to get started with this stuff, but Google is special in that regard. So in Google Cloud, you don't have to do anything to be able to connect to this machine. Like literally, you don't even have to type SSH command to connect to a Google Compute VM. All right, so and now this is going to transfer the SSH keys with, okay, so here we are in this cloud VM. I don't know if you have taken my Linux course, but if you have, like, this is what we do there, and just like whatever random commands you want to fire, chmod 777 me, well, not mr, me, just, well, basically just play around. The only thing that you need to remember, once you're done, delete whatever you have created. As long as you're going to do that, just go crazy. All right, guys.